Hey there. So in this video, I want to talk about why we get stuck in situations and circumstances and why do they keep repeatedly manifesting in our lives. And the reason that we find ourselves, in the same patterns, the same relationship patterns, the same health problems, the same, like we get the same jobs and then it might have the same circumstances in it. And we're just like, what is this all about? And the reason we get stuck there is because of our belief system and our attention and focus to what's happening in our lives, right? So how it works is we have our belief system and then we will look to the outer world for our belief systems to be, it will collect evidence to support the belief systems that we have. So it's like, we believe something like all men cheat, for example, right? We have a belief that all men cheat and we'll get into relationships and sure enough, the man cheats, right? Because that's the evidence backing up your belief system. It has to manifest. It has to happen, okay? And so, because it's just the way it works, our inner world creates our external world, right? So you might have a belief system that, what's another one? I never have enough money. I have talked about this on the channel before. And guess what? Your wish is my command. You will never have enough money because you will back up that belief system in the three-dimensional reality. Because it has to work like that so that, you're thinking something and then you see it in the external reality. That's just how it works, right? So we get stuck because we keep playing the same old thought patterns and belief systems, and then it keeps manifesting in our physical reality. We manifest everything in our reality. Sorry to say it, some things you think, no way did I manifest this. Some way, somehow you did. Right? So, I've been through a lot. I'm not just speaking from you manifest everything. Like I have gone through a lot of stuff. Now, I will say you do manifest everything, right? But your programs were implanted and imprinted when you were at an age of like 0 to 7, right? So it's not really like you had your logical brain going, you know what, I don't want to believe this. It just got implanted and impressed on that subconscious mind. And then we repeat the same patterns over and over and over and over again, right? But now, right, now we can become conscious of those patterns and start to change them. It does take a little bit of work to change those patterns, but they are changeable, right? So firstly, we have to become aware of the patterns, and how we become aware of the patterns is we look in our external reality. What are we manifesting in our reality? And then what belief systems, like what would I have to believe to be creating this reality or this circumstance or this situation? And then we work to clear that, and then we work to reprogram that, okay? And so we get stuck, like I said, in situation and circumstances because of our belief system, what we believe. That's it. That's all it is. And the three-dimensional reality is just reflecting that back. So, and we also, because we're focused and we're giving it attention all the time, we keep creating it because we're telling our brain that that's important to us and that we're okay with that when we're not, right? So that's really what it's about. And you can become unstuck. You really can, through changing your belief systems, changing your focus and attention, and putting it away, like taking it away from what you don't want and then placing it on what you do want, and continuously redirecting your focus. No, I don't want to believe that and create that anymore. I want to start to believe this. And you will get a fight. There will be a fight inside your mind. No, we're going this way. No, we're going that way. And you just have to stay strong in focusing on the way that you want to go, so then you can navigate out of those situations and circumstances and start to change different ones that are more in alignment with what you actually want to experience and actually want to create. I hope this is making sense. Let me know in the comments if it is, if you have any questions. feel free to drop them in the comments as well. So are you feeling stuck at the moment? I'd love to know if you are. And I hope this video has given you some hope and some direction in how you can start to become unstuck in your own life. All right. Trust me, I've been through so much in life. Like, have you got like 4 hours for me to explain everything? Like, I've gone through a lot. Okay. So I know what it's like, but I've also changed a lot of my life as well by doing this work, by doing the inner work, by doing the manifestation work, learning, applying the principles that I've learned, and, you know, clearing out a lot of stuff and changing a lot of my life. Alrighty, hope this has been helpful. Let me know, do you want to come unstuck and out of the circumstances and situations that you don't want to be in? And let me know, have you got a game plan of how to do that? Because I did explain it in the video. So I want to know. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye.